Editoria11y is a Drupal module that automatically reviews your site's content and structure for digital accessibility. This will let you know if there are any issues in your pages and how you can fix them. We'll learn about each of the module's parts and how they work. When you log into the site, and assuming you have the content editor or the content manager role, you'll notice the Editoria11y toolbar at the bottom right of the screen. This toolbar is an overlay with 4 different parts. The first one lets you open site reports in a new tab. The second lets you check headings and alt text on a page. The third lets you toggle the module's accessibility tools on and off. And the last button takes you to each issue on the page. One of the recent changes to the Editoria11y module is that the overlay is now available whenever you edit the page. The updated module lets you check your content's accessibility in the interface, also called the WYSIWYG, before you save and publish it on a page. Now let's check out the first option it has. When we click the icon, a new tab will open and we arrive at a page titled Content Accessibility Issues. This page gives us a detailed report of all the potential accessibility issues that Editoria11y found across your site. In addition to listing what the top accessibility issues are on your site, the report also shows you pages with the most issues, and the most recent dismissals. Under each section is the option to review the full list of issues along with links to individual pages with issues. The recent dismissal section tells you which accessibility alerts were hidden or ignored, the pages with issues, whether they were hidden or marked as okay, who dismissed the issue, and whether the issue is still on the page. And lastly, the report gives you options to export the results that Editoria11y found. This tool lets you check to see if your headings are in a correct logical order while also letting you review your alt text to ensure it's accessible. Clicking the Headings tab creates a drop-down menu with a list of every heading on the page. Underneath it is the Alt Text tab, which provides you with a similar list. If Editoria11y picks up on alt text that's either too long, too vague, or contains text like picture of or photo of, it will highlight the alt text for you to manually review. Clicking the third part of the module lets you toggle the accessibility tools on and off. If Editoria11y found any issues, it will display a number indicating how many are on the page. The last part takes you to each individual issue on a page. Editoria11y will tell you whether something is an issue or if something may need a manual review. A pop-up will appear when the module takes you to an issue, and it will describe what the issue is and suggest ways for resolving it. The pop-up will also give you the options to either mark the issue as checked and okay, or to ignore the manual check. The second option doesn't make the issue disappear from the content accessibility report, but it will hide the issue from your view. If you ever need to restore an alert, you can click the Restore this alert marked as OK button in case it was dismissed by mistake. And that's all you need to know about the updated Editoria11y module. We learned what the module is, what each of its parts do, and how to use it to improve digital accessibility across our sites.